Hey guys, before we get into today's video, I'm gonna move my upload schedule to Wednesday to hopefully better accommodate my schedule. Things have been a little crazy lately, and I apologize for that. Hope you guys are doing well. Now let's get into today's video. This is some more furniture I made for my G.I. Joes. This is just a little desk. Very simply made, just a couple of blocks of wood and a cardboard lid off a box. I just wanted something simple that I could put in the corner of a room, or use in a diorama or one of my scenes, just to have a small desk. As you can see, it's very simply constructed. It looks much better with this folding chair that I got in previous videos. I used a hot glue to hold it together. I still have to paint this. Added a lot of hot glue up towards the top to keep it from falling apart. And it seems like it's holding pretty well. Anyways, just a quick project I thought I'd share with you. That's all I have for you. Don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. Share it with a friend. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.